Streetfighter V4 S. That is, in fact, the one and only Kyle Wyman on the Streetfighter V4 S. What an amazing view. So I can tell you right now, so he's got much more lean angle than I do. So much so that he has already lost the sidearm camera that I mounted on that thing. He just is riding that thing just beyond what I'm able to do. Wow. Today, absolutely epic day. Sorry guys, I'm in awe, really. I'm just in absolute awe of the fact that I got to do a full session with world champion Tony Elias, and then Kyle Wyman takes my bike for a session. He's like, I absolutely love that thing. I gotta get on it. And I was like, here's the keys, buddy. So Kyle, thank you so much, sir. You like it? Yeah. Somebody likey. So let's get Kyle's final thought on the Streetfighter V4 S, and of course the Panigale V4 S. Hot tamales or what?
Yeah, man. It's awesome.
Things got a little go?
Oh, yeah. It's like yanking my arms out of my sockets.
Yeah. It's got a lot of pull.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you think? We're gonna race these next year?
That'd be cool.
Wouldn't it be I think it'd be like a hyper naked class. Tuano,
Yeah, man.
if BMW can get their act together.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing, so we got this thing dynoed at 204 to the wheel.
Oh, yeah. All day.
All day.
Hold up. Gnarly. That 1100 is just so aggressive. It's like, I'm like, holy f, I can't even like hold on to this thing.
I love it.
Awesome.
Well, thanks for stealing my bike for a session. You're welcome to it the rest of the day if you want. But and I thought when I was behind you, well, when I was able to stay behind you, I thought I mounted the back camera too low. I was like, well, his lean angle is much more than mine because he took off the back camera. I didn't see it back there, but it's still there.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, it's not gonna drag that.
No.
Bitchin', man.
Well, thank you, Mr. Wyman. Appreciate the ride. And for you guys out, the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, the Panigale V4 S. So, look, so I'm doing a comparison in this video. V4 S Panigale versus a Streetfighter. I come from street bikes. You know, this is what I come from. And I got on an MT-09, and it changed my world on riding.
Yeah, okay.
And now we have an S1000R, we have a Toronto factory, we have this thing. It's hard to even ride this thing now.
Well, it's unreal. Like, you know, the V4S and the Streetfighter V4S, it's like the same amount of power. You know, part of me wishes I had some windscreen to hide behind because the thing's so fast.
So I have an ugly windscreen,
Yeah.
but it's so ugly.
But that's part of it, though. It's so gnarly. It's
Yeah.
like the thing's trying to blow you off the bike because it's so fast with no bearing. You know?
Yeah.
So, like, the thing's a wheelie monster. It's got so much torque.
Yeah. Third, fourth gear. I mean, third gear down the straight, you should have been in a wheelie.
I'm late in shifting.
Yeah.
It's revving so quick.
Yeah.
So it's gnarly.
Well, because this thing revs up to like, well, so you're on an R, right?
Yeah.
And that thing revs up to like 10.5 or 14.5, right?
16.
16. Jesus. So we're at like 12, I think.
Really?
I think so.
Feels like more.
Ooh.
More. It should go to 15, 14.5.
Yeah, 14.5. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah.
yeah, I absolutely love this. This is hands down been the best bike
Love the livery too.
I've ever owned. And this was like, when I got this bike, I wanted the 18 or 19 Corsa, and I decided to get this, and I was like, first thing I'm doing is going with this livery and figuring out how to get this Corsa livery on this bike. So all the carbon.
Yeah, man. Yep. Because those don't come carbon, right?
All carbon? It's all
When they come,
it's all fake.
carbon or no? Oh, it's all.
I love telling people that.
Yeah.
It's all hydro dip. My painter made it all look like this.
It's nice work, man.
Thank you, sir.
Nice looking motorcycle.
Well, again,
Fighter I've seen, I think.
Kyle Wyman, thank you so much. Appreciate it. And again, Ducati North America. Alex is somewhere around here. Thank you. And so we've got the V4S for a couple weeks. So stay tuned because we've got some stuff coming with this, and it's going home with us unless Kyle takes it. But thanks for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and of course ring the bell notification because we will be doing an on-street versus V4 Panigale versus a V2. So stay tuned. Thanks for sticking around. We'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.